Every year, this video changes drastically depending on product availability. Just like last year, 2022 will be a tough year to find a grill. In fact, this year's video is completely different from recommendations from last year. In this video, I'll show you the best grills to buy, whether you like to smoke, sear, roast with a rotisserie, or throw a couple burgers on a grill now and then. We've tried every competitive grill brand over the last 15 years. Weber's works and is reliable and it does last, even in New England conditions. The Spirit is the least expensive, starting at $429. The Spirit Series is the only Weber grill with 2 burners to fit into smaller spaces. The side table models can also fold down for more accessible storage. However, you'll have problems finding the Spirit in 2022. So look at their Genesis. The Genesis is all new this year, with a hotter sear burner at 13,000 BTU. Their OGS system allows you to do more than grill. It's a frame kit accommodating different accessories to cook better, like a griddle or rotisserie basket for crisping French fries or making popcorn. You can buy the roasting basket to grill veggies so they don't slip through the crevices of the grates. Pizza will be easier to bake with their baking stone accessory as well. Every manufacturer and retail store will concede Kalamazoo is the best grill. It's made to order. The grill is deeper than any on the market, providing a natural convection system for evenly cooked food. The other main difference is the hybrid drawer, which allows you to use charcoal and wood. This is the only grill with the speed of professional gas and the flavor and texture of charcoal and wood. You can even customize the grates based on the food you're grilling. It's also available in marine grade steel. If you live by the ocean, this is the only grill designed to withstand the elements. I used to say lead times were a problem at 8 weeks. Now that's considered excellent. You can now buy a Kalamazoo range top only without the hybrid drawer for the first time in their history. It is still the best insulated, 360 pounds versus 240 for the average of all the other brands. Kalamazoo is still taller and deeper to allow for the natural convection airflow for more even grilling. The price is $12,500, so it's almost competitive to similar range tops as well. You may find yourself buying a DCS just because it will be the most available of the 3 most popular professional grills below Kalamazoo, the other 2 being Heston and Lynx. It's an excellent grill and a bit different from the others. All the grills listed have 25,000 BTU and another 18,000 BTU rotisserie in the back. However, DCS is an all-sear grill, meaning the whole surface can reach 1100 degrees by employing ceramic elements throughout the grill. At 1100 degrees, you'll have a decent sear. The DCS Series 9 has the unique wood and charcoal basket accessory to infuse a smoky flavor to your grilled food. Lynx started the whole professional grill segment. This year they'll be hard to find. They're known for their powerful trident-shaped burners. They changed their burner from solid cast brass to weatherproof ceramic. And their sear element is also variable from 300 to 1,000 degrees, so you can easily sear more delicate items like fruits and vegetables, as well as meat. Just be careful, you can oversear as well. There are all-sear burners popular, but you can buy Lynx with gas and infrared as well, and all gas. The giant commercial supplier Mayer is behind the Heston grill. It already is the best looking grill available in 12 designer finishes. Heston boasts a BTU output of 25,000 BTU per burner. It's 25,000 just for searing, so it's very powerful. It has a rotisserie system holding 50 pounds of meat with a variable infrared burner of 12 to 18,000 BTU. The hood will stop wherever you want, so you can open it slightly without losing all your heat. Heston has thicker, diamond cut grates. They can retain heat better and effectively sear on every inch of their grill. You have to be careful about buying a product advertised as less expensive but with pro-style performance. Most of the time the grills have the less expensive part, but the pro part is lacking. You have to look at the fit, finish, burners, and grates before you buy. That said, the Aspire by Heston is similar to the regular line. Burns 23,000, only 2,000 BTU less than their regular line, with the same sear burn of 25,000 BTU. It doesn't have the diamond grates and only 9 colors instead of 12. Aspire is a good, lesser expensive option. Grilling with wood fire pellets are suitable for low and slow cooking with the ability to add flavor. They're advertised as grills, so the expectation is fast, but with 500-degree max, it's not possible in a pellet-type grill. The Timberline 1300 has better construction, so you won't lose a ton of heat when open like their less expensive models. Their Wi-Fi system allows you to monitor your grill through an app on your phone. Traeger's a popular, fast-growing company, so sometimes their customer service is a bit lacking. You may want to consider buying it from a retailer in this instance. You can see a demo, talk to someone, and quickly deal with problems. App-driven grilling has been around since 2015 and has evolved since. You can access recipes, then grill to that recipe automatically. The Weber is simple yet effective. It's based on the Bluetooth temperature probe, sending the internal temperatures, then alerting you to flip your food or remove it from the grill entirely. First, you cannot buy the best grill. Do you like cooking for long periods? Do you want speed, texture, and flavor? Each grill type has its advantages and drawbacks. Buy the grill best suited to your style, whether it's a gas, pellet, or hybrid grill. Click the link to download our free barbecue buying guide. Unfortunately, we all know someone who's been talked into buying the wrong appliance or grill. Don't let that happen to you. Almost 1 million people have found the right answers in the Yale Guide. Thanks for watching.